Hello guys, I am back on YouTube and everything's going fine. And so meanwhile, while driving this car, I'm gonna explain everything on the way. Thank you. So I just received my main device yesterday and it's okay. Nothing's wrong with it and I can still keep doing content, which is good for me. And so I will keep on posting, and yes, I am fine and everything is gonna go fine. And so yeah, I don't know what much else to say. I don't know what else to say. I also thank you to all those people who supported my mini world maps. Thank y'all. Wait a minute, who put that there?